Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word circumspection. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Due to her circumspection, she always carefully considered all possible outcomes before making a decision. Circumspection is the quality of being cautious and considering all possible consequences before taking action, showing careful thought and judgment. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.